हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने डांस एंड म्यूज़िक पर बात करी थी। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ इंडिया। लैंग्वेज इज सिस्टम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन थ्रू स्पीच, कलेक्शन ऑफ साउंड्स दैट अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल अंडरस्टैंड टू हैव द सेम मीनिंग. Writing of human beings reflect the culture, lifestyle, society, polity of contemporary society. In this process, each culture evolved its own language and created a huge literary base. Language family, individual language related through common ancestors. Dialect होता है language spoken in local area. Most language belong to Indo-Aryan group of languages born out of Indo-European family. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस की बात करें सो इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ लैंग्वेज जो फर्दर डिवाइडेड है ओल्ड, मिडिल और मॉडर्न में. इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ लैंग्वेज. नेक्स्ट इज द्रविडियन ग्रुप, साइनो तिब्बतन ग्रुप, ऑस्ट्रिक एंड अदर्स. सो बात करते हैं इंडियन आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस विच केम विथ एडवेंट ऑफ आर्यंस. लार्जेस्ट लैंग्वेज ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिया है इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप. 74% ऑफ इंडियन population speak languages belonging to this group. Again, divided into 3 subgroups depending upon time period of origin. Old Indo-Aryan group, Middle Indo-Aryan group and Modern Indo-Aryan group. Old का time period है 1500 BC, Middle का 600 to 1000 BC and Modern developed after 1000 AD. So old Indo-Aryan group 1500 time period है. Sanskrit was born out of this group, which is mother of many Indian languages. Sanskrit is one of the 22 scheduled languages listed in the constitution. Classical Sanskrit as vehicle of Indian culture. Development of Sanskrit grammar begins with Panini in 400 BC. His book Ashtadhyayi is oldest book in Sanskrit grammar. Ashtadhyayi transcended barriers of region and boundaries. There is no part in India that has not contributed to the development of classical Sanskrit. Others, like Mahavastu of Hinian school, used mixed Sanskrit, Pali and Prakrit. Lalit Vistara, sacred Mahayana text है, and Buddha Charita by Ashwaghosha. So ये सारे classical Sanskrit texts के example हैं. Mahavastu, Lalit Vistara and Buddha Charita. These all were written in classical Sanskrit. Chaste Sanskrit और चास्ट संस्कृत 300 BC to 200 BC टाइम पीरियड है. इट इज रीडिफाइंड वर्जन ऑफ वैदिक संस्कृत. चाष्टे संस्कृत इज रीडिफाइंड वर्जन ऑफ वैदिक संस्कृत. फर्स्ट एविडेंस हमको मिलता है इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ रुद्र दमन एट जूनागढ़ से, साउथ गुजरात. गुप्ता एरा में यूज ऑफ संस्कृत इन पोइट्रीज. महाकाव्यास एपिक्स एंड खंड काव्यास सेमी एपिक्स. Sanskrit language was used by high Varnas and Prakrit was used by women and Shudras. Middle Indo-Aryan group 600 BC to 1000 AD इसका time period है. It started with development of Prakrit language. Prakrit used as common tongue without any strict rule as usage. Prakrit is common people का language. It is group of language. It is group of language spoken by common people. 600 BC to 1000 AD started with development of Prakrit language. Middle Indo-Aryan group. Prakrit was used as common tongue without any strict rule of usage. Prakrit became broader term under which all Middle Indo-Aryan group languages are clubbed together. Prakrit is associated with common people. Writings of text in Prakrit was relatively late development. Prakrit and Ardh Magadhi is used in Jain Agamas. Prakrit includes Pali, Tripitak of Buddhism. Ardh Magadhi, Buddha and Mahavira spoke in Ardh Magadhi. It was also court language. It comes under Prakrit. Shaura Seni, Shatkhand Gama. It is oldest Digambar text. Maharashtri Prakrit is official language of Satvahana dynasty. Ilu is ancient form of modern Sinhalese language of Sri Lanka. Paishachi, also called Bhuta Bhasa, is dead language. Apabhramsa, umbrella term है. dialects other than Sanskrit or even Prakrit. It represents transition from middle to modern language. Example, Pushpadanta's Mahapurana, दिगंबरा जैन टेक्स्ट है. नेक्स्ट मॉडर्न इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप में आ जाता है हिंदी, असमीज, बंगाली, गुजराती, मराठी, पंजाबी, राजस्थानी, उड़िया, उर्दू, सिंधी. इट डेवलप्ड आफ्टर 1000 AD. सो एक बार हमने जो भी पढ़ा है रिवाइज करते हैं. लैंग्वेजेस इज सिस्टम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन through speech, collection of sounds that a group of people understand to have same meaning. Writings of human beings reflect the nature, culture, style, society, polity of contemporary society. In this process, each culture evolved its own language and created huge literary base. Most language belong to Indo-Aryan group of language, which is born out of Indo-European family. Classification of Indian languages. Indo-Aryan group of languages हमने देखा divided है ओल्ड इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप में, मिडिल और मॉडर्न में. ओल्ड का टाइम पीरियड है 1500 BC, मिडिल का 600 to 1000 AD और मॉडर्न का डेवलप्ड आफ्टर 1000 AD. ओल्डेस्ट हमने देख लिया. संस्कृत वाज बोर्न आउट ऑफ दिस ग्रुप विच इज मदर ऑफ मेनी इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस. क्लासिकल संस्कृत एज vehicle of Indian culture. Development of Sanskrit grammar begins with Panini in 400 BC. His book Ashtadhyayi is oldest book in Sanskrit grammar. It transcended barriers of region and boundaries. There is no part in India that has not contributed to development of Sanskrit. Others, Sanskrit texts like Mahavastu of Heenayan, it used mixed Sanskrit, Pali and Prakrit. Lalit Vistara is sacred Mahayana text. Buddha Charita by Ashwaghosha. Chaste Sanskrit, time period 300 to 200 BC. It is redefined version of Vedic Sanskrit. First evidence from inscription of Rudradaman at Junagadh, South Gujarat. Gupta era में use of Sanskrit in poetry is also started. Mahakavyas were written, that is epics. Khandkavyas, semi-epics. Sanskrit language character of high varna हुआ करता था, and Prakrit by women and Shudras. Middle Indo-Aryan group हमने देखा, it started with development of Prakrit language. Prakrit belong to broader term under which all Middle Indo-Aryan group languages are clubbed together. Prakrit being broader term under which all Middle Indo-Aryan group languages are clubbed together. Prakrit is associated with common people. Writing of text in Prakrit was relatively late development. Prakrit Ardha-Magdhi was used in Jain Agamas. Prakrit includes Pali, Ardha-Magdhi, Buddha and Mahavira spoken Ardha-Magdhi. Shauraseni, Shatkhandgama, Maharashtri Prakrit is official language, was the official language of Satvahana dynasty. Ilu is ancient form of modern Sinhalese language of Sri Lanka. Paishachi, also called Bhuta Bhasa, is dead language. Apabhramsa, umbrella term है, dialects other than Sanskrit or even Prakrit. It represents transition from middle to modern language. Pushpadanta Mahapurana, which is दिगंबर जैन टेक्स्ट. हमने मॉडर्न इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप देखा, डेवलप्ड आफ्टर 1000 AD. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं द्रविडियन ग्रुप की. साउथ में देखने को मिलेगा 25% ऑफ इंडियन पॉपुलेशन कंप्राइजेस द्रविडियन ग्रुप. क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 ग्रुप्स, नॉर्दर्न, सेंट्रल एंड सदर्न. नॉर्दर्न में हमको देखने को मिलेंगे 3 लैंग्वेजेस, ब्रहुई, मालतो एंड कुरुक. सेंट्रल में 11 लैंग्वेजेस, Khond, Pengo and Telugu are some examples. Only Telugu became civilized language. Southern में 7 languages हैं, कन्नड़, तमिल, मलयाली, तुलु, कोटा. तमिल is oldest. ये याद रखें कि major 4 languages of Dravidian group, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam. Sino-Tibetan group. It belonged to Mongoloid family, stretch all over Himalayas, North Bihar, North Bengal and Assam. It is older than Indo-Aryan language. Kiritas in oldest Sanskrit literature. 0.6% Indian population Sino-Tibetan group के अंदर आती हैं. Sino-Tibetan group is further divided into 2 groups, Tibeto-Burman and Siamese Chinese. Tibeto-Burman के अंदर आ जाएंगे 4 ग्रुप्स, Tibetan, Sikkimese, Himalayan, Kinnori, North Assam, Dafla and Mishmi, Kuki, Garo, Bodo, Naga. सियामीज चाइनीज, अ होम लैंग्वेज, अब एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुका है. ऑस्ट्रिक, हम पढ़ रहे हैं क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस. इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ लैंग्वेज हमने देखा, ओल्ड, मिडिल और मॉडर्न में डिवाइडेड है. द्रविडियन ग्रुप, नॉर्दर्न, सेंट्रल एंड सदर्न. 4 मेजर लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द्रविडियन ग्रुप, तेलुगु, तमिल, कन्नड़ एंड मलयालम. साइनो तिब्बतन ग्रुप हमने देखा, तिब्बतो बर्मन एंड सियामीज चाइनीज. ऑस्ट्रिक की बात करते हैं. इट बिलोंग टू ऑस्ट्रो एशियाटिक सब फैमिली रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ मुंडा एंड कोल ग्रुप. मेंशन हमको देखने को मिलेगा नीसा दास इन एंशियंट संस्कृत लिटरेचर. Santhali is most important language spoken by Santhal tribe of Jharkhand, Bihar and West Bengal. Except Khasi and Santhali, all Austro-Asiatic languages are extinct. Except Khasi and Santhali, all Austro-Asiatic languages are extinct. Others like Gondi, Orao and Praji very distinct हैं and cannot be classified. Official languages of India. Article 343 says official language of Union government shall be in Hindi in Devanagari script. Official language of Union government. The Official Language Act of 1963 declares Hindi and English given status of subsidiary official language of Union. Total 22 languages हैं under 8th schedule. Note, no official language of India. There is no official language of India. States are free to adopt their official language. English is not in the list of 22 languages under 8th schedule. Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland are the only states which have given English as their only official language. Status of official classical languages. Criteria क्या होता है? High antiquity over 1500 to 2000 years. Body of ancient literature or text which is considered a valuable heritage. Literary tradition should be original and it should be distinct from modern language. Classical languages तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम, संस्कृत, कन्नड़ एंड उड़िया. बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं जिससे जब वो उनको स्टेटस मिल जाता है ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज का? इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड फॉर स्कॉलर्स, सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस फॉर स्टडीज इन क्लासिकल लैंग्वेज विल बी सेट अप. यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमीशन create professional chairs in classical language for scholars of eminence. National Translation Mission NTM. It facilitates higher education by making knowledge text accessible to students and academics in Indian language. It is expected to facilitate modernization of languages, new terminologies and discourse through translation. Linguistic Diversity Index. Two people selected from random population will have different mother tongue. If two people are selected from random population, they will have different mother tongue. 0 means everyone has same mother tongue and 1 means two people have same mother tongue. Linguistic Diversity Index. Now let's talk about ancient scripts of India. इससे पहले आप ये जान ले abugida का मतलब. Think of an abugida like a set of letters where each letter is connected to a specific sound. Each letter is connected to a specific sound and it usually comes with a default vowel sound. Default vowel sound. Example देखते हैं. The basic character ka represent the consonant ka, ka, and has an inherent vowel as a attached to it. So when you write ka, it is understood as ka. To change the vowel sound, you can add a mark like ki to ka to get ki. Now it represents ki instead of ka. So think of an abugida like set of letters where each letter is connected to specific sound. Each letter is connected to a specific sound and it usually comes with default vowel. You can change the vowel sound by adding little marks to it, marks to the letter. It is a way of writing that combines consonant and vowels together in a special way. So by modifying the marks associated with consonant, you can change the vowel sound, allowing you to write different syllables in abugida script. The script is also known as writing system or orthography. Two ancient scripts, Brahmi script and Kharoshti script. Brahmi script is mother of scripts. Urdu is written in script derived from Arabic. Indus script. It is corpus of symbols produced by Indus Valley civilization. They are extremely short and unclear. Brahmi script, oldest writing system है. All surviving Indic scripts in Southeast Asia are descendants of Brahmi. Rock cut edicts of Ashoka deciphered in 1837 by James Prinsep. Written left to right. It comes under abugida script. Gupta script. Gupta Empire used to write in Sanskrit. Gupta script descended from Brahmi and gave rise to Nagari, Sharda and Siddhant script. These scripts gave rise to most important script like Devanagari, Gurumukhi, Bengali and Tibetan. Gupta script. Gupta used to write in Sanskrit. Descendant from Brahmi and gave rise to Nagari, Sarda, Siddhan, Devanagari, Gurmukhi, Bengali and Tibetan. Kharoshti script. Kharoshti script used in ancient Gandhar region, present Afghanistan and Pakistan. It is sister script of Brahmi, deciphered by James Prinsep again. It is written right to left. It is also Abhagida script. Vatiluttu script. साउथ इंडिया में हमको देखने को मिलेगी, डेवलप्ड बाय तमिल पीपल टू राइट दी तमिल स्क्रिप्ट. इट इज ऑल्सो अबगिडा स्क्रिप्ट. करम्बा स्क्रिप्ट marks the birth of Kannada script, later became Kannada Telugu script. Granth script used by Tamil speakers in South India to write Sanskrit and classical language Mani Pravalam. Malayalam script is direct descendant of Granth. Sharda script time period है 8th century, used for writing Sanskrit and Kashmiri. Now it is used rarely except by Kashmiri Pandit community. It is also comes under Abhagida script. Gurumukhi script developed from Sarada script. Whole of Guru Granth Sahib is written in this script, Gurumukhi script, used for writing Punjabi language. Devanagari script written left to right, used for over 120 languages including Hindi, Marathi, Nepali, Pali, Bodo and Maithili. Also used for classical Sanskrit text. It is also Abhagida script. Modi script used to write Marathi language, Abhagida script है. Urdu script involves right to left style of writing for writing Urdu language. Modification of Persian alphabet, origin इसका है 13th century. It is extended form of Shahmukhi script. Urdu script is extended form of Shahmukhi script. A spread of Buddhism from India to various countries has influenced their scripts too. Advent of Islam in India also caused change in Indian writing tradition. तो हमने देख लिया है लैंग्वेजेस इन इंडिया. क्लासिफिकेशन हमने देखा, इंडो आर्यन ग्रुप ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ओल्ड, मिडिल, मॉडर्न, द्रविडियन, नॉर्दर्न, सेंट्रल एंड सदर्न. 4 मेजर लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द्रविडियन ग्रुप, तेलुगु, तमिल, कन्नड़ एंड मलयालम. साइनो तिब्बतन ग्रुप, तिब्बतो बुर्मन एंड सियामीज चाइनीज. Austric, it belongs to Austro-Asiatic subfamily represented by languages of Munda and Kol group. Official languages of India हमने देखा, Article 343 talks about official language of Union government shall be in Hindi in Devanagari script. States are free to adopt official language. There is no official language of India. India का कोई भी official language नहीं है. The Official Language Act 1963 declares Hindi and English given status of subsidiary official language of the Union. At present 22 languages comes under 8th schedule. Status या criteria क्या है status पाने का? High antiquity, body of ancient literature या फिर text which is considered to be a valuable heritage. Literary tradition should be original and it should be distinct from modern. Classical languages Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Sanskrit, Kannada and Odia. Benefits: International Award for Scholars, National Translation Mission. नए नए टर्मिनोलॉजीज भी डेवलप होंगे एंड डिस्कोर्स थ्रू ट्रांसलेशन. एंशिएंट स्क्रिप्ट हमने देखा. व्हाट इज एब्युगिडा? सेट ऑफ लेटर्स वेयर ईच लेटर इज कनेक्टेड टू अ स्पेसिफिक साउंड एंड इट यूजुअली कम्स विद अ डिफॉल्ट वोवेल ग्रुप. कॉन्सोनेंट एंड वोवेल टुगेदर इन अ स्पेशल वे. इंडस स्क्रिप्ट, ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट, गुप्ता, खरोष्टी, वाटेलुट्टू, करम्बा, ग्रंथ, शारदा, गुरुमुखी, देवनागरी, मोदी स्क्रिप्ट एंड उर्दू स्क्रिप्ट हमने देखी है. इसमें से मैंने मार्क कर दिया है एबुगिडा को, ब्राह्मी स्क्रिप्ट, खरोष्टी, वाटेलुट्टू, शारदा, देवनागरी, मोदी स्क्रिप्ट. ऑल दीज आर एबुगिडा स्क्रिप्ट. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, जो होगा नहीं पता किस पे होगा. तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.